Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and welcome to this amazing community. This is the only community where we learn, we share and motivate ourselves on how to become successful on the internet. And also we review more secrets on how to make money online. Did you know that you can turn $100 to $35,000 or $500 into $500,000? Again, $1,000 into $500,000. And nobody is talking about these secrets on the internet. And today I am going to reveal to you these secrets that nobody is talking about it on the internet. If you watch this video to the end, you are going to be a superhero among those who are making success with this secret. And before I'm going to reveal this secret to you, just give me 1 minute of your time and I'm going to discuss with you something important. When you are at the age of 20, 25 to 30, you will notice that most of the youth nowadays, including myself and you that is watching me right now, we find it more difficult to become successful or to spot more opportunities. And this is the reason is that we are afraid to invest the little money we have. Now, the second is that we are afraid to lose our money. Again, we don't want to lose anything. We don't want to take risk. And we are always thinking of short term. This is what is killing me and you. So if you really want to become successful, we have to start thinking a long term. We have to start budget our life. The next 3 years, the next 5 years, the next 7 years, or even the next 10 years. But I and you are always thinking of how to become successful quick, the next 6 months, the next 1 year, and even sometimes the next 5 months. And this is what is killing our youth nowadays. In this particular video, I'm going to reveal to you how you can project your life. How you can tell yourself that I want to make this amount of money the next 3 years, the next 5 years, or the next 7 years. Because if you look at your community, or if you look around, the successful people you see on the internet, those you know in your community, it took them years to become who they are. Some 5 years, some 10 years. As I'm speaking to you right now, some of them are still investing in other businesses. And they are projecting that the next 5 years, the next 7 years, how much more are you and I, who are youth, to think of making success the next 6 months, next 1 year? I want to see you in the comment section. The next 3 years, the next 5 years, how much you want to make? If you are at the age of 25, 30 to 35, you can project that the next 5 years, I want to make $500,000. You may think 5 years is too long. But hey, people have been waiting. People have been schooling for 4 years, doing their national service for 5 years, have sit at home for another 2 years. Still, they think they have not wasted time. So, this video is going to help you to project the next 3, 4, 5, 10 years. And the secret I'm going to reveal to you is going to help you to achieve your goal. If you want to make $500,000 the next 5 years, the next 3 years, this video is going to help you to do that. So let's get to my computer right now and let me show you this secret. Nobody is talking about it, but because I love you, I am going to reveal to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a member of this amazing community. Also, share this important video to all the groups, all your friends, all the people you know, so that they can also become successful as you are going to become successful through this video. So let's get here and I'm going to show you what is going to blow your mind. Hello guys, so this brings us to this platform called Cryptex. Now Cryptex is a platform that is changing people's life, and this is how it works. In this particular video, I'm going to take my time to go through how this platform works so that you understand and project how much you want to make the next 3 years, the next 4 years, or the next 5 years. So what is Cryptex? Cryptex is a DeFi hybrid contract staking project. Okay, so what they do is that they are purely into a staking project, and this platform is built on blockchain and it's a DeFi project. So for you to become a member, you are going to subscribe for $100. With $100 as a handling fee per contract. Every contract you are going to pay $100, right? So after paying this $100, the $100 is going to be used as a handling fee to secure a loan of $43,200 from a providing by Hedge Life Insurance. It's one of the biggest insurance you can think of and other banking institutions. Now, when they acquire this $43,200, they are going to stake this $43,200 for 3 years. And at the end of the 3 years, they are going to get times 3 or more. They take the bank's share, and then the company also take their share. And you, the one that paid the $100, you are going to be given $35,000. Each contract gives you $35,000 for 3 years. Now, if you want to go in for 5 years, it's going to take you like, I think, $47,000. Okay, so this is a secret platform. Nobody is talking about it, and people have been cashing out. And I have followed this platform for a year and a half before I started to learn more about it, before I got myself involved, right? So all you have to do is to pay an amount of $100, stop wasting your money and time, sit back and let Cryptex do the work for you with no risk. Okay, so what you have to do is that after you have paid your $100, if you decided to choose 3 years contract, it's going to give you $35,000. I'll leave the link in the video description, which will bring you to this page so that you can read more. If you want to register also, I give you the link in the description as a second link, where when you click on it, you can have access to this platform and register your account. Now, let me log in to my account here. For you to believe what I'm saying, let me log into my account here. I'm going to log into my account. I'm going to log into my account, and you're going to see how this platform is really working. I'm going to log into my account here. So this account is it's a $500 account for 5 years. Okay, I'm going to show you another account that I manage for someone. That one is also a 3 years contract. I'm going to show you that account. I think my internet is a little bit slow, but yet good. So this is how the dashboard looks like. If you can see, this place or this account is 5 active contracts. Okay, so it's 5 contract, that is $500 each. Okay, now at the end of this 5 years, this account is going to receive a total of 216,000 USD. Now, from the time this account become active, it has generated a total of 34,481.59 USD as a staking profit. So you can manage everything that is going on this platform. Guys, this is a secret platform. People are making massive money from this platform that you don't know about it. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your loved one. If you want to know more, if you want to learn more, I'll leave my contact in the video description. Also, you can chat me or send me an email and I'm going to respond. I'll be taking my time to explain to you one by one, step by step, on how this platform works. Thank you and see you in our next video.